working on a new recipe today. It's a Copycat Longhorn Parmesan Crusted chicken recipe. You're supposed to take about 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts and marinate them. The recipe that I'm going to give you has got a regular, throw together kind of marinade. Or you can use Italian dressing, which will be the quick version. So that's what I did. You need to kind of cut your breasts down if you want to. That's what I decided to do because they were just so thick. And then you can pound them with a meat tenderizer. Soak them in Italian dressing for, it doesn't need to be 30 minutes. It needs to be much longer, maybe 2 to 3 hours, probably overnight. To me, overnight would be a little too excessive, but if that's how you like it, then that's how you like it. So I'm cooking up the last of the breasts. This is 3 chicken breasts, and I'm fixing to show you. I cut them down and everything, and it's still 2 baking dish amounts full. Alright, so this is what I did with them after they come out of the skillet. Okay, so the next step is going to be, you're going to combine your ranch dressing, your provolone cheese, and your Parmesan cheese, and you're going to put it in the microwave to melt it. And I have tried to get this as thin as I could, but it's just not wanting to cooperate, so I'm just going to do the best I can. So, like I said, y'all, I'm not messing with this recipe at all. So, this is just a mess. Alright, so I'm going to try to stretch this as best I can. This is like the most stringiest stuff I've ever seen. Alright, put these little pieces underneath here. Maybe that'll help, I don't know. Alright, so you have to have your broiler on low, and you're going to have to stay with it. Alright, because we have another step coming up. You need to be put under the broiler for 3 minutes. And it's going to brown slightly. And then you need to take it out and we'll do our next step. Okay, so it's out of the oven now. And this brings me to the next step. You are to mix some breadcrumbs together. I'm going to have all the measurements below. Butter and garlic powder. And then you will sprinkle it all over the top of the cheese that's on top of the chicken. Now, this will go back under the broiler for 1 minute, and you have to watch it because butter in a broiler, this will be burnt in no time. So you have to stay right here. So when it's kind of toasted, then you'll take it out. So 1 minute. So you get all your breadcrumbs on here. And that's it. Okay. See you back here in a second. Okay, y'all, this is the first batch already straight out of the oven. And that's it. It's pretty simple recipe. It's just a little bit, kind of crazy because you have all the extra ingredients. But you just leave under the broiler just long enough. And it took mine a little bit longer. I had it on the low broiler, but it took a little bit longer for it to toast. So you want it to look like this, where it's toasted. And that's it. Serve it right up. See you next time.